Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to insert a picture here in Constant Contact. All right. As you can see here, we have this one image. We do have this wrapped text, all right, around the image. Also, a side-by-side image. Now, for example, you just wanted to add a single image. All you have to do is just add in a new section or add in a new block. For example, image, drag it wherever you want. For example, at the bottom of this social share buttons or icons. Here you have your image uploader. Just click on it and then go to the top and click on replace. Okay. It will open up your library. And if you want to, you can go ahead and upload a custom image URL from the web. Okay. Now you have dynamic image option here as well. Now, for example, under library, you can go ahead and use stock images or upload it yourself. Okay. Click on upload and this window will open. Wait for it. And you can now go ahead and click on the blue button right here. Just click on it and then add in your image. Okay. For example, this one. I'm going to hit on open and then hit on upload. Stock images right here. Select your category, for example, travel. And just click on see free results. Okay. Everything right here is totally free. For example, this one. Okay. Just going to click on it. This button, free button. And yes, I agree. Once that's done, close it. Wait for your library to load. For example, I'm going to add this image. Insert. And there you have it. Okay. Now these are things right here, as you can see, wrapped around the image text. We do have a separate video for these, like a side-by-side photo or images. Okay, just go ahead and look it up in the channel, and I'll see you there.